I have a Cuisinart Coffee Maker model #Qui DCC 3000 DCC 3000 and the auto brew stopped working about a month ago. The machine is barely 6 months old. Just so you know, it has been unplugged for at least 30 minutes, and I reset the clock and programmable timer. The light comes on that it is brewing, and so does the heating element, but the coffee does not brew. The water just sits there.
You say the heating element comes on, but it does not boil the water. How are you testing the element to say it is coming on?
The heating element turns on inside the coffee maker, but the water does not flow from the reservoir into the coffee maker when I have auto program set.
Okay, the only way the hot water flows into / over the coffee grounds basket is by the water boiling / percolating over the flow tube. It sounds to me that either the heating element is not getting hot or the flow tube is restricted, not allowing the water to move through the flow tube. Have you tried a descaling cleaner?
The coffee maker works when I do not use the auto program. If I just hit on, the water flows into the coffee maker and it works fine. My question is regarding the auto program not working. I set the timer to the time I want the coffee to start automatically brewing, the coffee pot turns on, the heating element gets hot, but no water flows into the coffee maker to automatically make the coffee without me pressing the on button.
Okay, that would have been nice to know in the first post. So it has to be in the control of the unit, and with it only 6 months old. I recommend calling for service on it to obtain warranty service. Simply call our toll-free number, 1-.
My original post stated the auto brew stopped working. So, I am not sure what else could have been said.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.